Look how easy it is to make your own insulated bottle sleeves. Repurpose or pick out fun wool or cotton socks. Adult knee socks length is perfect for most water bottles or tall cups. You really don't need to be very precise at all as you cut just below the bottom of the heel, which will naturally fold over the bottom of the bottle. You can chuck the foot part of the sock away if you want, or repurpose that because guess what? It fits on a small cup. When I have ice cold drinks, they sweat and leave watermarks and are too cold to hold on to. Brrr! It's easy and works well enough to use your sock as it is now, as the heel will naturally fold over the bottom of the bottle or cup. Or if you want to finish the cut ends with a quick whip stitch to sew it shut, that works even better. A fun and easy way to make a personalized insulated sleeve to fit a bottle or cup in a range of sizes and shapes. Make it yours and be cool.